welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hello, my name is Rebecca and I hope you're having a great, fantastic day. Now, I do apologise for being barefaced in this video. The reason being is because, if you guys have seen from the title or the short, I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing the Beauty UK beauty boxes. I am really excited. Now, I have already done the mini box already on my channel of Beauty UK. I think I did that like 3 years ago. I will link that on the eye if you want to check it out. But when I saw recently on the Beauty UK website that they've done a deluxe version, which is this lovely pink one right here, I got really excited. So it's a little bit more money, but it's meant to be more better value, this box. So I thought what would be a fantastic idea is to buy the deluxe box, but also buy the mini box, unbox these, review them, and let you guys know if it's worth spending a little bit more money on the deluxe, or you're better off just getting the mini. Now, I will be trying the products on in the second video, so stay tuned for that. But in this video, I'm going to be unboxing these, reviewing these, and let you guys know my thoughts about these boxes. And this is not sponsored, by the way. Beauty UK have not paid me to do this video. This is just my honest opinion and thoughts. So if you guys are going to enjoy this video, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Please don't forget to subscribe and turn that little notification bell so you get notified by every single makeup video I do here on this channel. Don't forget to follow on Instagram if you want to. Link is in the description bar below. So if you guys want to know my thoughts on the Beauty UK deluxe box and the mini box, just keep watching. Okay, so I thought I'd just explain what Beauty UK is for some of you that don't know. Beauty UK is an extremely affordable brand. They are drugstore. They used to be sold in Superdrug. I'm going back 10 years ago. They were really affordable. They had foundations, powders, lipsticks, they had eyeshadows, they had pretty much everything. And then they got discontinued, and then it used to be sold in a few retailers, and then it just completely disappeared off the face of the earth. So the only place I found which you can buy Beauty UK from is actually on their website. I will link it down below if you want to check it out. And they are cruelty free, and I believe majority of their products are vegan. I know some of them in the description said that they were vegan. They are definitely cruelty free, but some of their products are vegan. So it's really good. So they are extremely affordable. They definitely go from drugstore prices. I'd probably say they go around maybe Barry M prices. It goes around about like $6.99, $5.99, $7.99. So it is a very extremely affordable brand. Now, these beauty boxes, which I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing, guys, these are not subscription. These are just one-off like surprise boxes. They're just one-off payment boxes. So I know you can get beauty subscription boxes, but these ones aren't subscription. They're just one-off payments. So yeah, I thought I'd just explain that. So let's dive straight in. Alright guys, let's start with the mini box first. So the mini box retails for £12.99, but the value is supposed to be worth £25. So at the very end, when I've unboxed everything, I will go on the website and compare prices and see if the items actually go over £25 or it's actually bang on £25. So I will look up the prices and everything at the end. So this is what the mini box looks like. It's pretty much the same as it was last time. It is just a brown box, but you can see a little bit of the pink peeking out just on the sides there. Okay, so let's open this box. I think there is like a tab. Oh yeah, it's one of those tabs that you pull along. I'm hoping it's going to be satisfying to pull. Oh, kind of. I'll be right back. Okay, so I have pulled the tab off, so it got stuck a bit there, so I had to kind of pull it off a bit. So it has been pulled off, so open it up. Oh. Okay, so we've got a lot of protection inside. So what is this? Is this styrofoam, I think it's called? So let's just take this. I'm just going to take these bits out. And as you can see, it's very nicely bubble wrapped as well inside. This is what it looks like. It's really nice they put this nice pink tissue paper and a sticker on the front. It's really nice they've done that. It's a very nice personal touch. Oh, and they have given me a little piece of paper as well that has fallen out. So it says here on the little card, it says, thank you for your order. As a thank you, please use the discount code at the checkout to get 15% off on your next order, valid till December. Oh, that's nice. So they've given me a little discount code here. And it says, please leave a review on our social media at beautyukcosmetics.com. So they do have an Instagram account, Facebook, and they do have Twitter as well. Like I said at the beginning, I will link the website down below as well, so if you wanted to check them out. So let's take the little tab off here which says thank you for your order. Now I know one of the items is a nail polish because it came in a black wrapped up packaging, and it had a tick to say nail polishes. You know, they do that for like liquids and stuff like that. So I know one of them is a nail polish. I'm liking what I'm seeing inside. I don't know how well you guys can be able to see, but there's a little sneak peek there. Okay, so the first item inside that box is this item right here. So this is the Beauty UK Ultimate Contour Palette. I think this is a cream one. Oh, cream to powder formula. So this is what it looks like. So you have 3 different shades and instructions how to contour on the back. Next, we've got these little nail art. I think they're like little nail art stickers. So this is what they look like. And next up we have this right here. This is the Beauty UK Compact Face Powder, and it's in the shade number 1. This is what it looks like. And this is what the colour looks like inside. And you have a little powder puff underneath. Yeah, I think I did have this age ago, guys, but I think I decluttered it. I think I did declutter it ages ago, but hey ho, I've got another one now. So this is the face powder. I might just give it another go. Maybe I just didn't give it enough tries before. So yeah, I've got that now. Have a mascara here. This is the Beauty UK Define FX Mega Long Lashes mascara. This is what it looks like. It's in a pink packaging. So I'm quite excited to give this a go in my trying video. So yeah, I like a new mascara. I've also got a lipstick here. This is the Beauty UK Matte Lipstick. Even though it doesn't look matte, 'cause there's quite a lot of shimmers in there. And it's in the shade Daredevil. So this is what it looks like. You guys can see the shimmer in the front there. But nonetheless, it looks really, really nice. And we have a nail polish now, which is not particularly my favourite. I wouldn't personally go for a nail polish. I don't use nail polish. I use press-on nails sometimes. So this is the Beauty UK nail polish. Quick dry, high gloss, long wear. And this is in the shade... oh, Great Blue Beyond. So this is what it looks like. It's a really nice blue colour. I might maybe pass this on to my sister because maybe she might like it more. But yeah, we've got a little nail polish. And last but not least, we have a tiny little foundation here, a really tiny little one. This is the Beauty UK, what are you? Photo Ready foundation. It's in a little tester tube here. And this is in the shade number 1 Porcelain. So I believe this is the lightest shade they do. It's like one of those little tester tubes, like what you would get in Superdrug and Boots when you're testing your makeup. So they give me a little sample of foundation. But yeah, I think this is really, really cool. All right, guys, so that's everything inside the box. Now, I'm hoping this one is the mini box and not the deluxe box, because it doesn't say on any of the boxes which one's mini and which one's deluxe. But because the pink one has a lot more of a nicer, presentation, because of the box, because of the pink box, the logo, website and everything, I'm assuming that one is the deluxe box. So I'm hoping I'm not getting both boxes confused, because they don't even state on the boxes which one is mini and which one's deluxe. So I'm hoping I'm not getting them crossed over. If I am, I will let you guys know. But everything inside that box, I have already done the maths. So all the items in total is a total of £30, apart from the nail stickers. I just couldn't find these on the website anywhere, so there's no price for these. But everything is a total of £30. The little tester here is actually £1. So what did I think of that first box? I think it was really good. I mean, for £30, the total value, I think is really good. The only thing I will say is versatile with different skin tones. This powder isn't really going to work on every single skin tone, to be honest. Like, maybe deeper skin could probably get away with this as like an under eye powder or something, but I mean, this will definitely work for me, but for people on deeper skin tones, it's not going to work unless, like I said, it'll work for under eyes. So there is that. And the testers here, I kind of wish they put in a few more samples of this, like maybe this colour and then maybe 2 different colours, like a medium and then a deeper one, so it's a little bit more versatile, so that way it can cover a little bit more range of skin tones. Change the powder that maybe for maybe a blusher or something that everyone can use, whereas a powder like that, it's only for like my skin tone or slightly deeper, but even deeper skin won't be able to use it, which is an absolute shame. So yeah, apart from that, I think it's a really good box. Okay, well, let's move on to the deluxe box. This retails for £25, but the value of the items inside is worth £50. So let's crack straight into it. So this one's a lot easier. This one you just lift up. This is what the box looks like. So it's a really nice pink box, really nice presentation, and you've got the website there. So this one is really nice. It has Beauty UK on the front. So yes, the presentation on this box is a lot nicer. This actually shows this is Beauty UK. This is the one, the box, the big box. So yeah, this is really cool. So let's jump straight into this. So I'm just gonna open it up from the bottom. It has got a bit of weight to it. It's quite heavy a little bit, and it's got the same situation, so it's got all the styrofoam in it, so I'm just going to remove that. So same as the other one, it does have the pink wrapping inside with the bubble wrap, and it does have another one of those cards as well with the coupon code on it. Okay, so I'm just going to take the tab off. It says thank you for your order. So this is what everything looks inside. Okay, so the first item we have is another lipstick. So this one is the Beauty UK Gloss Lipstick, and this one's in the shade Naughty. So this is the lipstick there. So it looks like a really nice like red orange tone lipstick. So really cool, really cool. Unfortunately, I do have another duplicate, which is the Beauty UK Ultimate Contour Palette. So I do have another one of these. So I will pass this on to someone else. I'll probably pass this on to my sister because it's completely unopened, so she can have that one. I do have another mascara. I'll probably be passing this along as well. So it's another Beauty UK Define Mega Long Lash FX mascara. Another nail polish here. So this is the Beauty UK Nails. This is the Quick High Gloss Long Wear one. This one is in the shade. So this colour is Blackout. So this one is the black nail polish, what it looks like. Okay, so I've got an eyeliner here. This is the Beauty UK Pro Gel Eyeliner in Jet Black. So this is what it looks like. I think I tried one of their gel eyeliners years and years ago, so it's good to have one. So not to mention gel eyeliners make a very good eyeshadow base as well for smoky eyes, so pretty good. We've got that. And I do have an eyeshadow palette here. Great, I was hoping we'd get an eyeshadow palette. So this is the eyeshadow palette. This one's in the shade... well, this is the name, number 1 Natural Beauty. So it's a very sort of cool toned palette. So you've got like quite a lot of mattes in here. 1, 2, 3, 4. And there's 5 mattes. No, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 mattes and 2 shimmers. So it's a very cool toned palette. So I quite like that. Like that. Oh, and I have an eyeshadow primer here. This is the Beauty UK Eye Prime FX Eyeshadow Primer. So this is what it looks like. Oh, nice to have an eyeshadow primer for the eyeshadow. So that's really cool. And then last but certainly not least, I have this here. This is the Beauty UK Shimmer Box Rose. Oh, so it's a shimmering blush. And it's in the shade Shimmering Box number 2 Rose. This is really cool. I've never tried a blush before from Beauty UK, so that's really cool. Oh, I forgot to mention, guys, how many products were inside the box. So in the deluxe box, you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 products in the deluxe one. And then the mini one, you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So there's 7 in that one, in the first box, and the second one you get there was 8 products in there. So I'm just going to quickly do the maths on the deluxe box. Right guys, so I've just done the maths on the deluxe box. That's definitely the deluxe box for sure. And the total of that box is £52. So that's really good value for money, for the fact you're paying 25 and the whole box comes to 52. I think that is really, really good. So what do I think of the variety of the box? I like the variety. I really like the variety because you've got contour, which has got something for everybody. You've got a nice eyeshadow palette, which anyone can use. A pink tone blusher. I think this would go really nice on different skin tones, this kind of blusher. The eyeshadow primer is great because it pairs up nice with the eyeshadow palette. You've got a nice eyeliner to use with the eye products, a nice mascara. So I'm going to have to say the variety in the deluxe box I think is better. I do like the variety. But I will say though that when I bought, well, if you haven't seen the video, when I bought the mini box years ago, I did like that box, but I think the mini box now, I think is better. It's better than what it was 3 years ago. 3 years ago, I got like a nail buffer and more nail stickers and stuff. Things that weren't on the website and things that probably didn't cost them a lot of money, if you know what I'm saying. So the box they've done now, I think is better. It wasn't terrible, the first box I bought, but this one is better. 100% better. This box is a lot better. And I love the deluxe box as well. I think the deluxe box is really good. So if you know someone who's a makeup lover and doesn't have any products of Beauty UK, then I think this would make a really nice present. Now, you're probably going to say, which box is better? I kind of like both boxes, to be honest. If you don't want to spend a ton of money, but you want to give someone like a few little variety of makeup items, then go for the mini box. But if you want to give someone a bit more makeup items, then go for the deluxe one. But all I'd say is make sure they haven't owned any Beauty UK products, because they tend to not bring out not many products. So if you buy this beauty box and they have a few Beauty UK products, they more likely get duplicates. They more likely get it. Not that I'm saying it's bad that they haven't brought out any new stuff, because the old stuff is the nostalgia stuff. It's the stuff, if it works, then it works. Do you know what I mean? So yeah, that's all I'd say. If they haven't owned any Beauty UK products, then I think for the one-off, buying this as a present I think is really nice. So if you don't want to spend too much money but want to give them some beauty products, go for the mini. But if you want to give them something a little bit bigger, then go for the deluxe box. But I've got to say, I'm very impressed with both of these boxes and I cannot wait to try on the products in my next video. I really hope you guys have enjoyed this honest review today. If you have, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Please don't forget to subscribe and turn that notification bell so you get notified by every single makeup video I do here on this channel. Don't forget to follow on Instagram if you want to. Link is in the description bar below. Thank you guys so much for watching. You have a great day. Stay safe. And I'll see you all in my next video. Bye-bye, guys. Take care.